Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step on how you can view the content of a blocked Instagram account, or really, how to check profiles without using your own account directly. Let's walk through it. First, a quick heads up, Instagram takes user privacy seriously. There's no magic way to bypass private profiles, and most apps or websites that claim to hack Instagram accounts are scams. What we're doing here only works for accounts that are public, meaning their posts are visible to anyone on the internet. To get started, open any web browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type in the site inflact.com. This is a well-known social media tool that includes an Instagram viewer. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right menu. You'll see three small bars. Tap that, and from the drop-down, select Instagram viewer. Here, you'll get a simple box where you can paste the profile link or just type the username of the account you want